Okay, cabin. Pretty old school. It's about 20 years old. I just ripped out this kitchen that was in there. And I've started putting a new one in. Let's have a look. Still got some old school kitchen parts left because I haven't even finished connecting it yet. So we're halfway between. But kitchen is in. Sink not. Solar's on the roof, so we've got fridge, radio, charging batteries. This is the cabin. Bit of a mess. It's just a place to sleep. Fire's going because it's freezing today. I'm still insulating and then going to do walls. But getting there. Bathroom. Using that to wash dishes at the moment because I ripped out the sink. It's got carport on this side, which has just got tractor, dirt bike, and storing implements. Heaps of tanks hooked up, all of them are full. After the drought went for so long, we then actually got a heap of rain. So that hopefully the drought's broken and it'll be a good year for me to plant out. The farm car, little bush bash 4B, and that's the cabin.